I work with farmers that produce the oysters, or they farm oysters, and then also the companies with fishing quotas that supply to me and I supply to my clients. My clients, they're basically at the moment is restaurants and also hotels and supermarkets in Namibia that I supply to, mainly in Windhoek, which is the capital city, and then also in the southern part of the country. I got into the business, which I got introduced by my friend. So at the beginning, we were working together, and at the end of 2016, we parted because of a little bit of indifferences that we had between the two of us. So, and I continued doing the business. My family is a farming background, but we are subsistence farmers. So I already have that trait in me. So again, it's like going back to my roots, which is something that I have initially wanted to abandon. But it's like a point of no escape. When you look at fish products, they are a little bit fragile, so they are perishable, and they need a certain environment for it to be carried in. So you have to keep a low temperature to ensure that it is safe. Because, for instance, the oysters, they once they open, you eat them live. So once they are open, they are no longer sellable, so they are spoiled products. So also to reduce such kind of risk of damaged products, I just used a part of my savings. Most of it, I do not have any funding from the bank, nor from any other institution at the moment. Okay. Yeah, but I think I will be requiring financing opportunities to scale up, let's say for transportation, because transport is a really challenging issue with all the logistics. But if I could have, transport to coordinate that, and I think it can really help the business. Young people can really play a role in solving agricultural issues or food security. And I think we are the future generation of this world. So we have to start now so that we get used to the idea of being in business, or be it in agriculture, to solve really like real life challenges. And so that's why I'm just saying that, and collaborating with other people can take you also further. And let's get out there and do the work.